What's up, guys? It's been about a week since I pulled the motor out and started working on it. You may remember from my last video, I said it looked like the flywheel bolts were going to be a pain in the ass. And let me tell you, they have been a pain in the ass. You can see this one and this one have been giving me trouble. I stripped them out. I had to pick up T60 torx socket to do this, and the only one around me apparently wasn't a very good one, because this is what happened to it. See if I can get that to focus. Anyways, you can see the ends are bent in, and that ended up stripping my flywheel bolts. And I tried welding to it. That can't really, it's hard to get the welder down into there with the bolts being countersunk. I tried drilling it. That didn't really work. Apparently it's some pretty hard bolts. So I'm gonna have to take this to the machine shop, and he said he could get them out. Also, head bolts. When the internet tells you it's a T55 Torx, and you stick a T55 Torx in there and it fits, does not mean it's a T55 Torx. I learned that the hard way. You can see it's got a 12-point spline. It's actually a 12mm triple square spline. So I stripped one of those out too, and machine shop's gonna get that out for me as well. But now that that's over with, I'll tell y'all where we currently stand. Front cover off, oil pan is off, oil pump, timing chain, tensioners, all that. I was completely 100% ready to pull the head until I stripped that one bolt down in there. Just been kind of a pain in the ass. I was gonna take it all apart down to the short block and take it to the machine shop. And I am sorry about the mess everywhere. But yeah, I was gonna take it to the machine shop and have it bored out. But I'm gonna have to have him get those bolts out. But so far it's coming along faster than I expected, so we are ahead of schedule. Manifold off, and I guess it's a girdle on the bottom, so it's 100% ready for the machine shop now. It's crazy to think how small that block is. Compared to my 5.3 I got sitting over there. Check out what came in the mail. Got all the rings. Wiseco, oversized, 0.5 millimeter. Alright guys, that's about it for this week for now. Probably going to drop it off at the machine shop whenever I can find time. Maybe if I get off early one day. If not, it'll be probably next Saturday. Also, forgot to tell y'all, I ordered all of my gaskets and bearings and all that little shit from Hyundai OEM parts. So those will be in soon, and then it's just getting the rods, and I'm going to go ahead and do the clutch. I decided I'm looking at competition clutch, but I'm not sure yet. So if y'all got any recommendations, let me know. Also, if anybody needs any S14 parts, I'm parting one out, by the way, so hit me up. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Appreciate it.